Hi everyone. So today I just want to let you know that HSN is doing a special craft clearance today along with a $7.50 craft cart for the day. I don't know if it's going to extend longer than today, but I know it's today, the 25th. So I also have an Autoship that I want to show you guys. Actually, it's not, well, it is an Autoship, but it's not an Autoship. It was an extra set that I was able to get from HSN, a Diamond Press Alpha set. So I will link some of the items I've been working with recently and things like that in the description box, possibly again embedded in the video here. And those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. I really appreciate if you use those, guys. It just helps, me being able to make these videos and things like that. It doesn't cost anything else. The price is exactly the same if you click my link or if you just go over there on your own and look for things. So I really would appreciate that. So I don't know what happened, and we all realized that whenever they had free shipping over the weekend, it was supposed to be like one day, but I guess it was like 2 or 3 days, that they just pulled everything that was like a good price of different companies, the craft companies that we enjoy, and the clearance items, and it was really weird, and a lot of people were really upset about that, and I realized it after I already made one of my videos, so I wasn't able to speak about it in that video, but when I did notice that, I let you guys know because that was weird. And yeah, the same thing. My links were gone. They were pulled from like my videos, all that kind of stuff. People said they had things in their cart waiting for like a free shipping or a cart, craft kind of thing, craft cart kind of thing. And the items were pulled out of their cart and they were really disillusioned by that. Some people were very upset and some people were just like, okay, I'm going to try to go back and get those things. So I'll link whatever I've been recently using again for you guys. And then, even if you pop over with one of my links and you're not going to buy whatever it is that was linked there, they'll still give me affiliate credit for the other items you do pick up. So I super appreciate if you use them anyway. It doesn't have to be for a specific item. You can just pop over there using the link and do your own thing, So I will say I've also been doing these Anna Griffin videos, the Simply Paisley Scrapbooking Kit. They did bring back the Wildflower Meadow, which was on clearance and is on clearance still for $39. And I don't know why, again, they pulled all those things. They could have just said free shipping doesn't include clearance items or whatever. I don't know why they messed with the listings. So a lot of those listings are back, but really weird. Anyway, that one is back. So even if you want to follow along with what I'm doing, you can definitely do it with the Meadow, that one, right? Because this kit is, I think, $114 right now still, and it's been that way. I think the lowest it was $89, and then it's back to the $114 or however. I don't know. So you can keep an eye on it. But either way, I always link those things. These views have been very minimal on these scrapbooking videos. Like usually, by the end of the day, I get maybe over 1,000 views on a video. These, I'm lucky if I have a couple hundred views, so I understand they take more time and it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I would appreciate if you checked it out anyway. Just stop in. Maybe, you can make a card that looks something like this, right? A card front or whatever. It might spark some other creativity. I don't know, but I would appreciate it. But I understand because it's not for everybody, scrapbooking especially. I don't know, it's kind of gone by the wayside, but hopefully people will start doing more and more of it. I'm telling you, my kids love their scrapbooks when they see the scrapbooks I did for them when they were younger, so I really need to catch up because I have at least a decade of scrapbooking to do, but it's something that people will hold on to, and us as paper crafters, we want people to keep our precious things that we've given them, and that is really one of those things that people will keep, so something to think about. Anyway, this was the alphabet auto ship that I told you guys. I made a video real quick about it because I knew it was going to go, because I already knew it's just going to go. Alphas always go. And I'm sure they had limited numbers because it's just part of the auto ship that Diamond Press had put together for an alphabet set. And I believe the first one was like a fall set. And they had the Christmas set on their site one time, the My Diamond Press site. And then this one was the one that comes after that, I suppose, the Love You set. And so I'm super happy that I was able to grab this because it sold out really quick. I even had people commenting the next day and it was already gone. I mean, it was already gone in hours. So yeah, if you saw the videos not until the next day, you were never going to get it because I already knew that was going to blow out. I didn't know the numbers, obviously, but I had a feeling it would go really fast. So I just want to show it to you guys because it just arrived yesterday. Again, it always comes with the basic Diamond Press staple items, a little bit of info or instruction if that's what's needed, but this one's showing you the lettering. I mean, it is so cute. So they look like little balloons. I love that so much. The little hearts, the cutouts are hearts, which is even more adorable. Marin's gonna love this. I mean, I didn't even notice that. Look at the little wings with the heart. Oh my gosh. And then other little balloons that have like little kissy mouth there. The little envelope. And I'm so sorry. I don't mean to tease you guys with this because I'm like, oh, this is so cute. But like, I mean, I'm just showing it to you guys. And I'm very happy about it. It's a little flower with a heart and then like the scalloped heart. I mean, this is so much detail, super cute little cherries, which is very trendy. The little love you kind of like quote or whatever, sprigs and leaves and little flowers you can layer up, the bow. I mean, this is just, this set blew out so quickly, and I was on a cruise whenever it launched, and then HSN was being really tight with it as far as like releasing it, so I was keeping my eye out. I'm on a cruise. By the time I got up and was able to like get internet, it was gone, so I couldn't get into it. So I was like, so I was able to get the one iteration, you know, because the Autoship sold out, but I was able to get the first one single ship, and then here we are. So I hope you guys have good luck also trying to, you know, catch them all, right? Like Pokemon over here. But they do have a sale today, like I'm saying, you know, Anna Griffin Crafting, all those crafty things that we enjoy. $7.50 cart today, which is nice. And yeah, I'll just have some links there, guys. And please, you know, if you're so inclined to watch the other videos, please do so. I would super appreciate it. And I will see you guys very shortly with another scrapbook video. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.